My name's Eddie Holmes. I'm construction manager for Gemco Construction. So I started at Gemco in May 2005. So we're sitting at the Hawke's Bay Regional Sports Park, just in front of the Grandstand that Gemco built in 2009, 2010. We started in I think it was about August, very, very wet winter. Our groundworks, we had 52 piles that were drilled to 5 metres deep. We were basically working in about almost a metre of water for the first 2 months or so. As you can see, the rafters cantilever from precast concrete columns are 20 tonnes apiece, and they were tracked through on a crawler crane down the paddock. The ground was heaving, approximately a 200mm wave of dirt in front of the crane, so some indication as to the weight. The top connections of the columns, where the rafters sit on the columns, there was 16 32mm bolts, and we had a 2mm tolerance. Because the building comes around in a curve, you can imagine the geometry, the set out there had to be very precise to make these pre-made units all come together. The structural design is done outside of Gemco, but it's my responsibility to make sure that it is followed, you know, to the T, particularly in the wake of the Christchurch earthquake. I think the structural detail adds pressure because you have to get it right. You can't cut corners, you can't make assumptions. Everything's got to be right. I do drive past the sports park, and now, of course, the Delegates project across the road. It does bring about a sense of pride, and I think they are two pretty prestigious buildings to leave behind.